Hello students, how are you all? I hope that you all are fit and fine and taking a good advantage of your time through our online classes. I, Miss Jyoti Arora, on behalf of whole Jingle Bell family, today brings you some interesting activity, that is paper collage activity Crow. For this students, you will need your book 1. I hope that you all are having your book 1 and one newspaper and one Fevicol. So students, let us start our activity. You ready with your book 1? One pencil, Fevicol and a newspaper. And you have to make a small balls like this. Okay students, now I request all the parents to take out page number 79 of this book, and before starting the work I request all the parents to mention their child name here and a date, like today date is 10 June 2020. Now students, what it is written? Paper collage Crow. In this activity, you will do this activity with paper. Tear a paper into small pieces and make paper balls like this, that I have made paper balls. Apply glue on the image and stick the paper balls on it. Okay, now let us start. Firstly students, you have to apply glue on this crow like this. You have to apply the glue like this. Firstly apply glue on the half of the image and take paper balls and stick like this. Take another paper ball and stick like this. Take another paper ball and stick like this. Take another paper ball and stick like this. I request all the parents that they should encourage their ward that they will do this activity themselves. They will stick the paper balls themselves and apply glue themselves. Now parents, now in this way you have to complete this whole activity, and I request the parents that there is one mentor tip here, that encourage the child to name the bird. After completing this activity, you will encourage your child to name this bird, that is crow. And after completing this activity, I request all the parents to submit the work till 5 p.m. and don't forget to press hand in button for final submission. Thank you.